Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a coupon code for your purchase in the Etsy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the, first just make sure that you have something in your basket. So just find the product and then just click on the add to basket button. And then just click on the basket button at the bottom of the page on the right. And as you can see, here's the add a shop coupon code or apply Etsy coupon code. So these are two different things. So if you have, for example, an Etsy coupon code, you can apply that here. But if you have a shop coupon code, then you can apply that here. And once you did that, the amount of money will be reduced from the total order. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.